Socializing 80. I read a news article which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on how one can avoid arguments and instead discuss things in a mature way. It is important to understand that the characteristic of a true Muslim is not to argue or debate with others in order to promote themselves and their opinion. They should instead present the information in order to promote the truth. This applies to both worldly and religious matters. The one who aims to promote the truth will not argue. Only the one who is trying to promote themselves will. Contrary to what many believe, winning arguments does not increase one's rank in any way. The only time a person's rank in both worlds increases is when one avoids arguing and instead presents the truth or accepts it when it is presented to them. A Muslim should avoid going back and forth with others when discussing things, as this is a characteristic of arguing. It is important to avoid arguing, as the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, promised a home in the middle of paradise for the one who gives up arguing, even when they are correct. This has been advised in a narration found in Jami'a at-Tirmidhi, number 1993. It is this correct mentality which has been indicated in chapter 16 and Nahl, verse 125.
Invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good instruction, and argue with them in a way that is best.
A Muslim should understand that their duty is not to force people to accept something. Their duty is to simply present the truth, as being forceful is a characteristic of arguing. Chapter 88 Al-Ghashiyah, verses 21 to 22.
So remind, you are only a reminder. You are not over them, a controller.
To conclude, presenting the truth and accepting it without arguing will improve one's relationships with others and reduce one's stress.